And who am I? That's one secret I never tell. XOXO Gossip Girl. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
Who they looking for? I know for real. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jaterra, Bria'Na. Thank you so much for tuning into today's hair video. It has been a while since I've done a hair tutorial. Today I kind of took y'all back to the trenches and did some ghetto stuff, okay? So this is more so giving an experience versus tutorial because she does not include exact measurements. I kind of did whatever felt right in the moment, but she came out super duper cute, as you can see. So if you are intrigued to see this hot mess of a tutorial, then stay tuned and keep on watching. But do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So this is a combination of I wouldn't even say quicken. I basically just glued some highlighted random bundles that I had from a random shop. The name is called Indique if you guys would like to shop that hair. The clip-ins that I'm using are amazing. They are from Curls Queen. Recently they got some shade from Aaliyah's Face. If you know, you know. But I love Curls Queen, okay? I've only had amazing experiences with them before. So yeah, I'm not sure if I have a discount code that still works, but I can give you the discount code that I was provided a while back though. I'm going to try to narrate this face to face so it makes a little bit more sense and I can go into detail. And I just feel like it will make for a better tutorial in general. Okay, so you can see my face the entire time. But yeah, let's get into the way in which I have bleached my hair, girl, because half of the hair was already bleached. Yeah. So previously I had bleached some of my Indique bundles for another install and they came out cute, but I never toned it. So when I bleach hair, I never want it to be the same exact way on all the strands. Like I want some to be lighter than the others. So I thought, why not add the hair I already bleached back into this mix? I think I did 2 batches. So the ones that were still raw, black, whatever you want to call it, I went ahead and drowned that with some regular bleach powder and some 40 volume developer, and I did that for 30 minutes. I jumped in and I added more. I think I did a mix of volume 20 and volume 40 because I realized that I had this random volume 20 laying around, which I wish I had saved for later. We're gonna come back to that, but I added that back in because that was on the hair that was already bleached. So I was like, it's already bleached, maybe it don't need the 40, let's do 20. Used it all up. Don't remember how much I used. I literally just used whatever was left in the bottle. It was like probably like 1/4 of the bottle left, maybe a little bit under that, and I let it sit for way more than 30 minutes. Yeah, because I got on the phone with my man and I forgot that I was bleaching some hair. So luckily she ain't end up being fried that late to the side, girl, but she got as light as she was gonna be because I think I ended up bleaching that hair, girl, for like over an hour. After that, I conditioned her on the side. I didn't shampoo her because we already know shampoo strips any natural oils from hair, so I just co-washed it with some Tresemme conditioner, and then I let the conditioner sit on the hair for 2 days straight. Yep. Yeah, just the blonde pieces, right? Boom. Then after that, I toned her. We used 40 volume developer, even though the toner box literally calls for 20 because I didn't have any. So I think you're supposed to do 1 part developer. No, yeah, you're supposed to do 2 parts developer, 1 part toner. I did 1 part developer, 1 part toner because I was using 40 volume developer, so that made sense in my head. And then I left it on for 30 minutes. Y'all, I put plastic bags in my sink, and I put them bundles right on top because I was like, don't be messing up my sink, friend. But I didn't know where else to like do this at. But it worked out fine, and I just wiped the rest of the residue away with OF paper towel. So boom. So now it's time to like put the hair together. So what I had did was I got my black Curls Queen clip-ins, and I glued the lightened bleached and toned hair to said clip-ins because I didn't want to do a glue-in. That was just going to take too long, and I wanted to use these clip-ins. Like, I love these clip-ins. I'm going to put the kind that they are on the screen, but I just feel like when my hair is pressed out, it matches my hair perfectly. Like, you don't know if this right here is my hair or if this right here is my hair because the two strands look exactly the same. Love it. I feel like I can just wash my clip-ins after this and the glue will come out with regular shampoo and conditioner, maybe a little bit of alcohol, who knows, or like the glue softener stuff, and yeah, I'm sure it will come right off. So now that the hard part is done, let's get into my braid now. I give this braid down an 8 out of 10. I also did my leave out in like a T, and I've never seen anyone do it like that. I don't really watch people do hair. I just do whatever comes to mind. Like whenever I have leave out for a middle part, and I usually just do a little rectangle, it's never enough hair to cover the back. It's either you're pulling it to the sides and your back is exposed, or you're pulling it to the back and your sides are exposed in the back. So I was like, let me do a T. And this worked perfectly because it's still not too much hair left out and it's just enough to cover the back. So definitely suggest doing this like T stripe when it comes to your middle part leave outs. And in the back, when I got to the last braid, I used a crochet needle to interlock my last braid. Highly recommend doing so. So now braid down is complete, and now it's time to clip in the hair. Pick up and roll the dice, reading between the lines. We can book a flight, wake up in paradise. Tell me you're down right, and you can picture life. To put the colored pieces in the back because I really just wanted it to be like a peekaboo effect. I have so much more hair Like, I could have added a lot more color. Super duper cute if I do say so myself. So yeah, you guys, that was basically the foundation. Now let's get into curling and styling. So when it comes to styling, I knew that I wanted to do big, loose, juicy curls. They've just been my favorite. I always have to start with straightening out my leave out just so I know how to blend it correctly with the added hair. So that's exactly what I did. And I like to use a tiny flat iron because it helps you get to the roots a little bit better. I got this one from Amazon. It is linked in my bio. I'll put a distinct link for you guys in the description box. Not bio, but description box. Yeah, I'm tired, friend. But anyways. And then I went in and curl. You're gonna need duck clips, okay? Duck clips are the way. That Silkening Mist by Kendra, 10 out of 10 do recommend. I curled away from my face. I left the curler on for a really long time because it's such a big wide burl. I feel like this is a 1.5. You definitely want to make sure that you leave it on your hair for a good amount of time. It's on the highest setting, which is 30. And yeah, as I curled, I use a duck clip. I use it on the curved side. I make sure to put that against my scalp because that is how you don't get any lines. If you go this way and you put the hump on your scalp, it might leave a line. If you do it underneath and you put it on the curl, it's curved with the curl and it probably won't leave a line. That's a tip. I do it for each one because it allows it to cool and like hold the curl a little bit better as you're going on doing your whole head. If you curl, you also curl side to side. Don't do one side at a time. If you do that, this side will be flat by the time the side is done. And if you do it side to side, the back will drop before the front. The bigger the barrel, the looser the curls. If you want tighter curls, use a smaller barrel. If you want them to last longer, you can also spray your retro comb with some Pump It Up spreads. Spray it. Don't spray your hair because that'll make your hair crunchy and possibly white and flaky. If you want better hold, you can spray the comb and then comb your hair and then proceed to curl. But you would do that first because then it'll like attach to the burl a little bit better. Another tip, Jaterra got you, okay? So yeah, then I just pulled them down and I combed them through. I like to rake them out with my hands and my fingers first, and then I go in with the retro comb across my leave out to kind of settle and pull down the curl a little bit. Like I said, I wanted loose curls. And as for edges, let's get into it because I've been using something a little bit new, a little different. I've been using Pump It Up spreads, girl. It makes my edges last so freaking long, and it keeps them like fluffy, like they'll start to peel up like they are now, but they're kind of like still in place, and they look so cute and so natural. I don't like using edge control by itself anymore, and I refuse to, friend. I feel like it just doesn't give me a cute look anymore. I do this now even when I'm wearing my natural hair by itself. I just feel like it's so stinking cute. I only use a little bit and wait until it gets fully dry. That's when it gets tacky and sticky, and it will hold into place, and you just need a little bit of edge control to like set it. So yeah, I really don't care what edge control you use, because you're only using a little in comparison to the spritz, and then you're done. I probably just talked y'all head off, but I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know. And also tell me what video you want to see next in terms of hair tutorials. So yeah, like I said, all the codes, all the products, and all the hair will be linked in the description box. Follow me on my social medias. I changed my hair so much. You never know. If you want to see what I'm wearing or rocking or how to do something, follow me on Insta. And I will say TikTok girl, I hope it's still here by the time this video go up. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye mamas. Mwah.